Hello, people. Welcome to 10 Year 5 Crore Challenge. And this is episode number 19. And we are in second week. We are completed in August month. That is from 4th to 10th August 2025. Let's get started with our weekly review. Okay. So the current weekly review. So this week we have closed and we with IPO gains. That means like I have applied for NSDL IPO and just that got allotted and we received 18 shares of NSDL. And the second day I have sold because it gave me that actual comfortable gains. So I don't want to be more greedy. So I took and I sold the NSDL IPO and I received around 5,800 rupees. I have reached and this is actually this August month target actually. Okay, target. So I thought like we this will help us to gain that monthly target. So I have sold 5,800 rupees. Okay, but and I have not deployed any um, investment into the equity markets because the investments are already in my Zerodha account that going down every day like 1 to 2% every day loss every day it's making loss. Okay, due to everybody know current market is very weak and it's actually a oversold zone, so it might be recover in a couple of weeks. Okay, so I have some cash but I have not deployed. I will deploy it soon. Okay, once I get comfortable with the market reversal. Okay, and come to second week, the trading, right? So you all guys know, since last 2 weeks, I'm doing some paper trading, and that was done actually pretty good. And I see only 25% times I have won the, like gain the profits. Mostly I was in losing the. Uh, Losing my capital. Okay, capital. This is because the first week I have directly going for trade with my own bias. I have not trading on the chart. I'm directly going and seeing the chart and the premium and the strike price. So I will go buy and sell with the 2 points or 1 point that way. And even when I entry the at the same time it gone reversal and I book 10 points stop loss like that. Okay, so in that time also the first week I don't have any stop loss also. So every day I'm learning something and these 2 weeks of paper trading help me more. Actually it's really a good worth of experience I got from this paper trading. Okay, so now I know like what is the risk reward strategy and what is the 1:2. And by this 1:2, if you are 35%, this is the break even. It is called a break even win. So if we are every three trades, every three trades, you can win one. That will cover all the next two losses. Okay, next two losses. That's why we go with the 1:2 risk reward strategy. Okay, so this is what I learned so far till this week. Okay, let's get to what lessons learned. The same like the trailing stop loss. The previously the trailing stop loss actually 1:2, right? This is the strategy we are going, and this is the risk reward we are going with. Let's say suppose your entry is there and at the time of entry the moment is going positive side, then we can wait till 1 is to 1. Okay. And this is the positive side scenario, 1 is to 1. If it reaches the 1 is to 1, then we are trailing the stop loss actually. The previous stop loss, what we get in a minus 10 points, right? So now what you can do, you can put your cost plus 3 points. Okay, cost plus 3 points. So this is what we called as a trailing stop loss. And if the entry given to it crossed to 1 is to 1 and going uh, towards to 1 is to 2, then what we can do, we can make the SL to 1 is to 1 target. Okay, so this time you don't have any loss, because if it is get reversal from 1 is to 2, you will it will auto square off at 1 is to 1 target. So you will achieve 1 is to 1 target at end. Only you will lose when the entry is going and at the same point it got reversal from what your view. Okay, so that is called a negative direction. In the negative direction, you are supposed to lose your 10 points or 20 points based on your already predefined points. Okay, predefined SL stop loss. Okay, this is what I learned so far on the trailing stop loss, and this is very important, and everybody must trail this stop loss, or else I see many YouTubers, they are directly stick with 1 is to 2. Either they will give their profits to stop loss, or only they will book the profit until 1 is to 2 reached. So I think like that is kind of good, but in market scenarios, in this last 2 weeks, I see like once the 1 is to 1 confirmation is good, like every time it's going to 1 is to 1. But only when we are stick with 1 is to 2, then only it will go 1 is to 1 above, and suddenly it reversal and it will going beyond your cost and hit the stop loss. So I don't want to be in a stop loss, and I don't want to lose any uh, positives, like profits. Okay, I don't want to lose the profits, even if it is I follow this strategy. This is my own strategy. Okay, this is my own strategy. So the learning news-based trends, like you already know, recently the Trump has announced some tariffs, and the negotiations on the tariffs are went bad, and India is giving some strong counter towards the tariffs. Okay, so everything is a news for us. So based on this news, also the stock market reversal happened within a seconds. Okay, so I learned how important the news is about, and how this is impacting to the stock market. So that basics I have learned, and this is very only the full-time traders will follow this kind of opportunities. But as you can see, like we are not stick with our computer and a day, so the trading like from 9 to 3:30. Okay, so yeah, so So always treat the charts and not emotions or own bias. Okay. So this is where I learned too much. Like the first week, I directly go into my own bias. Like even if it is bullish trend, I go into the PE side, buying a PE that I'm hoping, and maybe it will reverse, but it doesn't. Okay. So because your own bias, it doesn't work in a market only when it is actual the trend, and you need to stick with the chart, what the chart is moving towards. Okay, so that's main you need to understand. Okay, stick with only one trade at a time. This is the other lesson I learned, because last time in my paper trading, I have took three trades, okay, parallelly. So I'm not able to concentrate on second trade because I'm continuously following the chart, which is one trade I took. Okay, so we are ignoring the second trade. So as a beginner, I'm not able to focusing on multiple trades at a time, and this will, kill you. Even the profit, if one giving the profit, other will kill you your profits. Okay, so that means you are totally taking after taking your consideration of the taxes and STTs and everything, so you will be in a loss for the day, even if you took three trades. So you can take three trades, one after another. That is good because you are fully focusing on your trade. Okay, but you don't trade and like don't take entries parallelly three or four like two, even two. Okay, so as a beginner I learned myself like I'm not capable of following two or three parallel threads. Okay, this is the lesson I took. And the importance of CPR pivots and camera law pivot points. This is already discussed in the last episode. This is really good. This is really good, and I'm following this one only. So I can see the CPR pivots really good, helping understand. Mostly it will deciding like it will help you to understand the market direction and as well as the sentiments also, because if the narrow CPR or a broad CPR, so and where the exact the opening of the first candle, everything will decide and everything will give you some hints. Okay, this is what help the CPR and Cambrella pivot points. Okay, next is the action items I'm taking. Okay, and so this is we are completely done. The paper trading really good, and I already told the winning percentage is only 22%. Okay, so that means like every four trades, only one I book for profit, other three book loss. Okay, so you see how much we need to be focused irrespective of the trade number of trades anything. This is very important. What's your winning ratio? Because nobody tell you I'm 100% profitable, nobody tell you I'm 100% a loss. Because if you every day you are taking some entries, either it will give you profit or loss. Daily you will not going to loss, or daily you are not going to win. So this is where the risk reward and winning ratio come into the picture. Okay, winning ratio. As I told you, if you follow 1 is to 2 target, you should have at least 35, greater than 35. Winning ratio will help you to win at least your break even. This one break even, that means you will be not in loss, and you are in profit. Okay, this means like every three trades you should win one at least and two losses. And let's get to we'll deploy the capital and take trades with only one trade. Yes, yeah. So I decided I'm completely done with the proper trading, and now I will be deploying the amount with only one lot. That means in Nifty, Nifty it will take 75. In Sensex it will take quantity, and Sensex is 20 quantity, and if it is Bank Nifty, it is 35 quantity. Okay. So even I'm seeing like there is a mid cap select. I don't know, remember the quantity, but okay. Mm, remember like 140 quantity, I guess 140 quantity. Okay. Like I'm not sure about this. I need to check. So this is four indices we can trade with F&O, and Sensex only I will go when the expiry day, because if you The sell strategy will help in the expiry day. This will be discussed in the next episodes. Okay, I will tell you what is the selling of F&O and what is buying of F&O. And yeah, next, next, this is I understood the option selling and buying. Yes, of course. And due to the low capital, I will do option buying as I mentioned. Okay, so coming to the end of the part, and we are in closing talk. So this week we are achieved the current month target value, that is like around 5,200. I guess this is the current month target plus the previous month's target, that is around 8,000 rupees. Okay, so this one is done, and this need to still we are left with three more weeks. 3 more weeks we left. Okay, so we'll see whether we are able to achieve this 8,000 or not. Okay, and yeah, correct. So this is already discussed, and I will attach the screenshot and of my paper trade and also the investment current value and everything. Yeah, this will help us, and yeah, stay focused and stay learning. The learning is the only key to success, and making your uh, what we call making your comfort by reading your journal every day and focusing on your trades and applying risk reward properly, that will help you to continue the journey and protecting your capital as well as winning. Okay, yeah, so thanks for watching my journey and being part of my journey, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning. Bye. Thank you.